Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix a battery drain problem in the latest iOS 26. For example, if you have installed the latest iOS 26 on your iPhone, and now if you are having a battery drain problem on your iOS 26, then how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And here you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. And after that, you have to simply turn it off again. The next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to general. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now you have to go to the battery options here. So here you can simply find the options related to battery performance. So you can simply see that here are the options available. So if you find any option related to here, then here are options available. So if any options are available, if some of the apps have drained more battery, then you can simply see the options here that option is draining more battery. So if you notice any unusual apps, and then you can simply turn off that app, and after that you can simply change the battery setting. Moreover, you can also check for your battery health and charging. So you have to make sure that your battery health is above than 80 or 85%, because below the 80%, the battery health decreases, so it will not provide you the better performance. So if you are facing the problem, make sure you have the battery problem, so you have to replace your battery. If the problem is still there, then you have to wait for some time so that a new update is available with the iOS 26 and they fix the problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.